We'll guide you through how to download and install CapCut on a Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. CapCut is a great video editing app. It's got so many different features in it, really great transitions and effects, amongst many other tools as well. So we're going to go and show you how you can get it. First of all, we can open up a web browser. As we're using a Mac, we can go and use Safari. And what you want to do is go and search for CapCut like so. Make sure you go to the official site, which is CapCut.com. Here we are. And what we can then do is you want to go and see the download button. It may be in the middle, or you should be able to see it in the top right, and you can go and click on it. We need to go and allow downloads by pressing allow, and it's now downloaded. So in Safari, you can click the download icon in the top right, and then what we can do is go and select it and double tap it. It's now going to go and open up. You need to go and double click on CapCut Downloader like so, and we get this pop-up. Press open as we downloaded it from the internet. It's safe as it's from CapCut. Now it's going to go and start downloading. So go and be patient. When it's finished, it'll go and say verifying CapCut. Just go and wait now. And then it should go and open up and we can go and start using it. You can see I've got some projects here as I've gone and had it before, but you can go and click new project and you can go and start with one. You can make some imports in the top and start editing. If you found this useful, then please leave a like for more.